Come and make these lemon, blueberry and ginger cheesecake pots. And why we love this recipe? Well, these cheesecake pots tick every box. The creamy lemon filling is light yet indulgent, the crushed ginger biscuits add warmth and crunch, and the blueberry compote brings natural sweetness and colour. Best of all, there's no bacon involved. They're perfect for dinner parties, last minute desserts, or even when you would simply want something sweet without spending hours in the kitchen. They're elegant for guests and easy enough for a weekday treat. Now, if you're liking the look of this video, please hit subscribe, look out for further videos in the future. I'd really love the support. But the main question is, why does this work on a budget? Well, this dessert uses affordable everyday ingredients like cream cheese, Greek yogurt, the lemon curd, the biscuits and the berries, but yet it looks and tastes impressive. Making individual pots means no waste, it's easy portion control, and there's no need for specialist equipment or baking time. Now, will you be trying it? Now, if you love cheesecake but don't always love the waiting time, these pots are for you. Quick to prepare, easy to customize, and guaranteed to impress. A fantastic go-to dessert for busy families or spontaneous entertaining. Now, these lemon, blueberry and ginger cheesecake pots prove that great desserts don't need to be complicated. Enjoy.